Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Solutions, your one stop to travel, work, study, and settle abroad. Well, today we talk about UK that has increased its financial requirements for immigrants in 2025. Well, if you want to start one-year master course inside London, you need to hold about £13,347 for cost of living and £10,224 outside London. Well, the United Kingdom has increased its financial requirements for immigrants who want to study or work there in the year 2025. Try to reduce the impact on immigration of housing and economy. They are trying to make changes on the website. This is to show the immigrants proof of fund as to study and work in the country. After 2nd January 2025, they need £1,483 per month to support themselves for London and £1,136 per month outside London. Well, couples who want to enter UK need a little extra money. You need about £3,800 with your first child and £2,400 with each child that you bring in. As for skilled workers, even for first-time applicants, you need about £29,000 to show that you support yourself and for accommodation in the UK. UK government has also made some minor fees increments for visa applications such as tourist, family visa, spouse, child, study with exemption for some specific disability or career benefits. So well, this was some interesting news about UK and we will keep filling in with more such information. Stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.